Hello my friend. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video to provide more. What scary things can happen to your body when you eat too much sugar? So what are scary effects of too much sugar? Sugar, it makes things taste good, right? With sugar, life is pretty sweet. It adds a kick to our hot beverages, and who doesn't like cake? However, while sugar definitely has a sweet side, it also has a dark and nasty side. Yup. What many people around the world are starting to realize is that sugar isn't the angel we all thought it was. Instead, it's a bit of a devil. If you're wondering what we're talking about here, join Beauty and Tips as we take a look at 10 scary things that happen to your body when you eat too much sugar. 10 effects of too much sugar. You'll gain weight. Wanna gain weight? Eat more sugar. And we're not talking about weight that you can turn into muscle here. We're talking about weight that's going to make you fat and flabby. Numerous studies have confirmed that there is a clear link between soda drinks and obesity. Sugar-drenched soda drinks contain next to no nutritional value while boosting your weight and increasing your risk of diabetes. Sure, your body needs glucose, otherwise you'll, die. But if you consume too much, your body turns sugar into fatty acid that never gets used productively. Instead, it just adds flab to your thighs, arms, hips and so on. Your teeth will rot. Ever seen people with bad teeth? There's a very high chance that they've consumed way too much sugar throughout their lives. This is definitely one of scary effects of too much sugar. While sugar itself doesn't cause cavities, the waste products that it causes do cause them. This essentially means that, the more soda you drink, the more candies you eat, and the more sugar you put into your tea, the faster your teeth will decay. There's no getting away from this. Each time you sink your teeth into a jam donut, you're as good as bringing about your own oral ruin. And let's face it, no one likes toothache and no one's like the dentist. If you don't want to be in a situation where your teeth need to be pulled, you'll need to start cutting down on sugar ASAP. You might get gout. Thought gout was something only old people got? If you consume too much sugar, it could be you that's taking a few days off work next week with a painful toe. Your skin will look horrible. Okay, maybe horrible sounds a tad harsh, but it's kinda true. It's another one of scary effects of too much sugar. Scientists have found a link between sugary foods and skin problems. Research has indeed shown that the more sugar you consume, the worse your skin will look. How bad will it look? Well, it depends. You might find that you can't get rid of acne, and you might find that you're aging faster than you'd like. Overall, your skin will lose its glow and just won't look as healthy or as smooth as it really should at your age. What can do you about it? Cut down on sugar, girl. Your body will want more sugar. Your body won't simply want more sugar, it will need more sugar. While there's no concrete evidence that sugar is as addictive as cocaine, what we do know is that, when you consume too much sugar, your brain pumps out more dopamine. Dopamine is the feel-good chemical that we produce more of when, say, we're making love to our partner. It's pleasurable and intense. Because sugar triggers its production, it follows that your body begins to crave more sugar. That said, this only happens when you consume too much sugar. If you consume just a little, you shouldn't find that you're addicted to it. You might feel depressed and anxious. Above, we said that consuming lots of sugar triggers more dopamine production, the so-called happy chemical. That it does, but too much sugar can also make you feel depressed and anxious. How so? Sugar is linked to an increase in inflammation. And when inflammation is rampant in your body, it can cause your hormones to go out of whack. This leads to an increase in anxiety, depression and stress. Not cool. Sugar can cause liver disease. Liver disease is usually caused by too much alcohol, but research has shown that you don't even need to drink all that much alcohol to develop liver disease. Not if you're consuming lots of sugar, That is, when consumed in excess quantities, sugar can do just as much damage to your liver as alcohol. How so? Too much sugar is just too much for your liver to handle. As a result, you might develop non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This is when your liver becomes scarred as it tries in vain to heal itself. If you keep subjecting it to beatings, it might even develop into cirrhosis, which is always fatal unless a replacement liver is found. Sugar can cause heart disease. This is another one of scary effects of too much sugar. Heart disease is now the biggest killer of American adults. Cases are on the rise. The thing with heart disease is that, like liver disease above, it can totally be averted by making better lifestyle and dietary choices. If you take it easy on the sugar, you can massively reduce your risk of developing heart disease. Your brain no longer knows when you're full. When you consume too much sugar, your brain begins to lose its ability to know when you're full. This is largely because sugar is rich in empty calories that interfere with your brain's signal to let your body know that hey buddy, it's time to stop eating. As a result, you overeat and this leads to weight gain and all kinds of uncool health issues. You might forget things. Perhaps one of the scariest, and very real, things that happen to your body as a result of consuming too much sugar is memory issues. Too much sugar can impact your brain's ability to hold on to memories, both short-term and long-term ones. Worse still, a sugar-rich diet can even cause the onset and progression of dementia. Do you know about other scary effects of eating too much sugar? Stay happy.